Welcome to the Savvy Man Reviews channel. Today I'm going to review the Syma X5C drone. This has been assembled already by myself. It's fairly quick and easy to assemble. One thing you'll notice when you get out of the box is how light it is. The drone is worth around £30 on Amazon, which is really cheap actually. I think they've come down a lot in price recently. And it's also got incredible reviews on Amazon as well, so I do recommend you actually purchase this. I'm going to show you a flight test later in the video and some of the cool stuff you can do with this drone. The camera here says it's HD, but it's more like 2 megapixels. I'm going to be showing you some footage from the camera later on in this video when I take it down the local park. Check the drone flying restrictions before you take it out, obviously. The drone itself is fairly easy to control. It's as good indoors as it is outdoors, I would say. One thing though is that sometimes the blades can catch on this protective guard. What I've done is I just bend it back a little bit and then check that it spins. You see this one's making a noise when I spin it, so I just push this one back a little bit and it works fine. I've used it for around 3 months now, bashing it around inside the house. When you turn it on, you can see it's got this cool light feature, which makes it quite fun to fly. Then if you take off the battery cover, you can see that you have a small connector here. And if you want to connect that to the mains, you simply use the attached cable they give you in the box. You connect it in. You can actually take the battery out as well, which I'll just show you now. You can take the battery out, put the connector in, which is a little bit fiddly, and then I just use a standard USB plug, and that will charge the battery in about an hour, I'd say. And you get around 7 minutes of flying time. That's what it says on the instruction manual as well. You can also buy more of these batteries on Amazon, probably about £10 for another 5. If you're planning to go out, spend half a day flying your drone, you'll need obviously more batteries. The camera is actually detachable. There's 2 screws at the back and a clip at the front. So if you wanted to, you could detach the camera. You get a mini screwdriver in the box as well, which allows you to attach the guards that protect the blades and also the landing skids. So that's the only thing you have to do yourself when you get the drone out of the box. It also comes with an instruction manual. It seems like it's been converted into English because it's not the easiest thing to read. But it does have all the instructions in here and it's fairly intuitive to read. So this is the controller that comes with the Syma X5C. It does look a bit plasticky and easy to break, but for the price it's pretty good. So there you go, the controller's on. It comes up with a little screen here and it's not linked to the camera at all. It just tells you some stats such as the battery life of the controller. To take a photo you push this button up and back, and to take a video you push this button down. You'll see that you're taking a video because a light will start to flash underneath the drone while you're taking the video. The drone comes with a memory card. I think it's a 4GB memory card, but again you could easily replace that with a higher memory card if you wanted to. The memory card slots into the back of the camera, but if you can see it there. There is a very quick way of playing videos you've taken with this memory card. You simply pop it out the back and you take your mobile phone, and if you've got a Samsung like me, you can pop out the very top insert. And there's actually a space to take a memory card this size. If you download the VLC Media Player app, you'll be able to load videos and play them straight from your phone, so there's no need to even connect this to a computer if you don't want to. Okay, so just clear some space, you turn it on at the back, and then you turn on the controller. So you push up on the controller with the left joystick here, and then down. You can tell it's locked onto the drone because the drone shows a consistent light instead of the flashing light it had before. So I'm just going to give it some power now. There we go. There we go. That is some control there. As you see, I'm pretty bad at flying that drone. The next part of this video will be an outdoor test of the drone. Okay, so as promised, this is the flight test, and after this you'll just see the drone doing some tricks and I'll stop talking.